wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back with me. I'm Miss Arvidia Pratiwi. I'm from class 3B. I'm from Khairul Ternate University English Education Program Study. Okay, today I will teach you about noun clause connector from skill 7. So before we get into the discussion, you must know my intentions and goals for teaching this material. First goal is so that students are able to understand the meaning of noun clause. The second goal is for students to be able to understand the function of the noun clause. And the last goal is for students to be able to understand the structure used in the form of a noun clause. Okay, after you know the purpose, then I will tell you in advance what I will talk about in this clause material. Well, the first discussion is the meaning of noun clause. The second, we enter the example sentence. And the third, in an example questions. And the last one is exercise of noun clause. And now we will enter the first discussions, namely the meaning of noun clause connectors. A noun clause is a clause that functions as a noun. Because the noun clause functions as a noun, it can be used in a sentence as an object of a verb, or if it alone follows a verb, or an object of a proposition, or if it follows a proposition. Study the clauses and connectors in the following sentence. I don't know why he said such things. Normally, nouns clauses as object of verbs. And in a sentence, I'm thinking about why he says such things. Normally, noun clauses of objects prepositions. In the first example, there are two clauses. Normally, I don't know, and he said such things. These two clauses are joined with the connector why. Why change the clause he said such things into a noun clause which function as the object of the verb to know. Next, in the second example, the two clauses I can thinking and said such things are also joined by the connector why. Why change the clause be said such things into a noun clause which functions as the object of the proposition about. The following examples show how the sentence patterns could be tested in the structured sentence sections of the TOEFL text. Example: the citizen worry about blah 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 is doing A. What the government, B. The government, C. What the government is. In this example, this sentence contains the main subject and verb. The citizen's worry it also contains an additional verb, is doing. The sentence needs a subject for the verb is doing and a connector to join the two clauses. The best answer is answer A because it has the connector what and the subject government. Answer B incorrect because it does not have a connector. Answer C is incorrect because it does not have a subject for its doing. And answer D is incorrect too because it has two subjects for its doing. The following chart lists the noun clause connectors and the sentence patterns. Use with them. Noun clauses connector. Normally what, when, where, why, how, whatever, in, and that. Noun clause connector. Why. Subject Sally and verb explain it. Subject see and verb did and it. Exercise 7. Each of the following sentence contains more than one clause. Underline the subject once and the verb twice. Circle the connectors. Then indicate if the sentences are correct C and incorrect I. Okay, number 1. It is unfortunate that the meal is not ready yet. And number 2. She told me when should pick up the children. Okay, I will answer the question. Number 1. It is a subject and it is a verb and that is a connector. So the sentence is correct. But the number 2. She is subject, told is a verb, and when is connector, and should pick up is verbs too. So the sentence is incorrect. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. I hopeful you can understand my materials for you. And I think that's all for today. If I have wrong my pronunciation, please forgive me. And thanks so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.